I'm sure you've heard the news. Custom UGC hair is the hot new thing in Roblox. If you've ever wanted to make your own, now's your chance. Let me break it down, step by step. Ready to dive in? First, you'll need 3 tools: Blender for modeling, image software like Paint.net for textures, and of course, Roblox Studio. Think of Blender as your art studio, and Roblox Studio as your gallery. Step 1. Export your Roblox character rig as an .obj file and pop it into Blender. Use Bezier curves to shape one hair strand, kind of like sculpting with digital clay. Duplicate and arrange these strands until you've got a full hairstyle. Next, optimize. Lower the curve resolution and use the decimate modifier. This keeps your model within Roblox's limits. Now, unwrap the UVs and design a hair texture. Just imagine painting streaks for that perfect shine. Finally, import your hair into Roblox Studio. Fit it using the accessory fitting tool, add a hair attachment, and publish it for the world to see.